Hello everyone, welcome to Kamath's Academy YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. Today we are going to start with network organizing structure. Myself Vignesh K. Kamath. Let's begin with network organizing structure. So first, let's see what is the meaning of network organizing structure. Network organizing structure means the firm outsources its activities or functions to other parties such as manufacturing, accounts, distribution, sales, etc. So what do you mean by network organizing structure means? Means the firm outsources, means the firm hands over the activities or functions like manufacturing, accounts, distribution, sales, like different departments are there, no? So all those departments will perform one activity or functions. Those functions will be handed to other parties, means third parties. Will be handed to the third parties. So that is network organizing structure. Let's see with the meaning again. Network organizing structure means the firm outsources. So outsources means handing over the functions to other third party. Okay, to third party. Its activities or functions to other parties. It can be said as third parties also, such as manufacturing, accounts, distribution, sales, etc. It is new organizing structure where there is less hierarchical, more decentralized and more flexible. Okay, so this network organizing structure is less hierarchical, more decentralized and more flexible. I hope you are clear with this. Let's move with the diagram and you can understand that better. See, let's consider XYZ is our firm. XYZ Limited. So XYZ Limited is our firm. So we have handed over the accounts function to KML Limited. And we have handed over a distribution function to PLQ Limited. And we have handed over manufacturing function to AEU Limited. And we have handed over sales function to BCD Limited. So XYZ Limited has handed over its functions to different parties. Okay, so let's see what is the advantages and disadvantages of network organizing structure. Okay, so let's move with the advantages. Good quality of work. See, by handing over the work to the other parties, so we can expect, so there will be good quality of work. Okay, more focus on competitors. By handing over the functions or activities to other parties, we can, our burden of work gets reduced, right? And we can focus on competitors, analyzing the competitors, their changes made in their policies. We can make policies, etc. So less employees. If we hand over the activities to other parties, so our organization requires very less number of employees. So this comes under less employees comes under advantages. Fast completion of all work. Fast completion, because if the work is to be performed in our organization or our firm, it takes lot of time, right? So manager has to coordinate the activities. It requires a lot of time. But same thing if the works are handed over to the third parties, so we can expect a good quality of work as well as the fast completion of work we can expect. Okay, let's move on with the disadvantages of network organizing structure. Lack of secrecy. Lack of secrecy because the third parties comes to know all our policies, like what we are producing, so what kind of goods we are producing, so our strategy behind, so all the information will come to know to the in the notice of third party. Okay, difficult in coordination and controlling. So it becomes difficult for manager to coordinate the different parties, right, activities of different parties. So and it becomes difficulty for manager in coordination and controlling. Costly. Costly because outsourcing is very costly, so it requires lot of cost. Okay, outsourcing is a very costly process. Okay, so the outsourcing charges are very high. In short, you can say that outsourcing charges are very high, so it's a very costly. We can say network organizing structure is very costly. Okay, that was all about the network organizing structure. I hope you have understood the entire session. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Please like, share, and comment. Can and even comment your doubts also if you have any. Thank you. Keep supporting.